am Dr. Vinod Vijay Kumar, Director of Caad, Chennai Academy of Architecture and Design. I had the privilege of studying Masters in Urban Design at the National University of Singapore, one of the world's leading universities. I have always believed that while the university taught me urban design, the city taught me its practice. That experience strengthened my conviction that architecture cannot be learned through the classroom lectures alone. It must be experienced through the city, through practice, and through continuous engagement with the professionals. At Caad, this philosophy is at the heart of our academic approach. Located adjacent to the Poonamallee metro depot, our campus enjoys a unique connection to the Chennai city, enabling students to experience architecture beyond the studios. Throughout every semester, our students engage with practicing architects through design juries, professional reviews, field visits, expert interactions, and real-world learning opportunities. As a standalone institution dedicated exclusively to architecture, we have built a culture where academic excellence is strengthened through professional practice. Our students are continuously challenged, mentored, and inspired by architects who bring current industry practices directly into the learning environment. The outcome is more than a degree. At Caad, it is an education that develops confident, practice-ready architects equipped with the knowledge, skills, and professional mindset demanded by the industry. This commitment to practice-connected learning is one of the defining strengths of Caad and key reason for our strong academic achievements and outstanding placement record. At Caad, learning stays connected to practice and your careers begin with confidence.